That shit big as hell.
Join me as I style my hair throughout the week. Wash day, scalp care, loved it. Deep conditioner by Twisted Pride, love it, go cop it. And here are my styling tools that created these juicy twists, y'all. Look at this. But, yep. I did it again. I did a little trim, got rid of some dead ends. And this is how I styled my hair throughout the week. Monday was the 70s vibes. I was feeling it. Headband with the scarf hanging down my back. Loved it. And then on Tuesday, I just separated the twist. And look at this definition. Look at the shine, y'all. Yes. And then on Wednesday, I was like, you know what? Let me separate the twist a little bit more, get a little bit fuller look. Let me do some bangs. Love the look. But then on Thursday, I got these gorgeous earrings. I'm like, I got a high puppet to show these bad boys off. And now we've come full circle back to wash day.